name is Stefano Manfredi. I'm Italian, but I live in Australia. My two restaurants are Manfredi at Bells and Bulla. I'm a cook as well, and whenever I can I cook with the freshest Australian ingredients. Simple. Even though I live in Australia and use Australian ingredients, the basis of all of my cooking comes from my Italian heritage, and it's basically the springboard with all the dishes that I do. So, you know, the recipes, the methods, the approach, the simplicity with which I approach all of those ingredients is part of my Italian heritage. From an early age, I've had the smell of coffee in my nostrils, so I love coffee. I was actually born above a cafe at home, and the first 6 years of my life I spent in Italy. I would go down, get a limonata, go down with my dad, and he would play cards. So I guess you could say that the smell of coffee was in my nostrils from a very early age. The smell of coffee is always in my nostrils from when I wake up. The first thing I do is I go and turn on my coffee machine. That first coffee is really the thing that gets me going on my day. You know, that caffeine sort of triggering my brain and saying, hello, wake up, you know, and I'm ready for my day. It's that inspiration to start going. I used to drink a lot of coffee during the day. Now it's simply 2 cups. I have 2 nice espressos in the morning. Occasionally, once every so often, I'll have a caffè latte because I'll just sort of be craving that sort of milky coffee. Do I have coffee with food? Yes, panettone, chocolate, you know, a nice croissant, something like that, but not savoury food. I'm not a big fan of savoury food and coffee.